Four-wheel drives with GVM upgrade kits see most of their time as tow vehicles or fully loaded with supplies, upgrades, and accessories. Gross vehicle mass is a vehicle's maximum allowable weight when fully loaded, and GVM upgrade kits uprate suspension to increase this figure. However, most kits fail to consider the brakes. With all of that potential extra weight on board, braking upgrades are a must. For extra braking performance, Bendix offers the Ultimate 4-Wheel Drive Brake Upgrade Kit and Drum Brake Upgrade Kit for a wide range of 4-wheel drives. These kits consist of upgrade brake rotors, drums, pads, and brake lines. For further performance gains, the Bendix Ultimate 4-Wheel Drive Big Brake Upgrade Kit adds 6-piston front calipers, and the Rear Big Brake Upgrade Kit provides a full rear drum to disc conversion for popular models. For 4-wheel drives used for towing, the Bendix Ultimate Tow Electric Brake Controller is a must to maintain your braking control on your van or boat trailer. The Bendix Ultimate 4-Wheel Drive Brake Booster upgrade can also be fitted for greater stopping power and reduced pedal effort thanks to its dual diaphragm design, where available for your application. To negate a poor factory handbrake, Bendix offers the Ultimate 4-Wheel Drive Electric Park Brake for a number of Toyota 4-wheel drives. For more info on Bendix's 4-wheel drive brake upgrade options, visit www.bendix.com.au.
Bendix. Put your foot down with confidence.